It was really great to be able to sit around a table and talk with people about what we had going on, what our struggles were, what we wanted to work on, and how everybody else could kind of give input as to how to get there.
The idea behind the Printshop is to provide photographers with a more intimate, personalized, hands-on workshop to see real-life demos on how to run a print-driven business.
Just being able to see her do an actual in-person sales session was very beneficial since I've never been in a sales room. So I'm gonna go practice on my husband.
We wanted to show what we actually do in our studio to provide our clients with the best possible experience and grow the most profitable business.
It doesn't really matter if you're somebody that's just starting a business or you've been in it for a while. I think there's something in here for everybody.
When I first started my photography business, I was obsessed with learning absolutely everything I could. The industry is so flooded with online education that I find we end up buying into all these courses but never actually doing anything with them. It's just not enough. In order to be a successful business owner, you need someone that can provide you with support, accountability, someone that can simplify a process and revitalize your confidence and your mindset. That's what we're here for.